manatee swimming in the springs. N is for newt waving happily. O is for owl saying hoo hoo hoo. P is for panda chewing bamboo. Q is for quail running very fast. R is for rabbit hopping past. S is for snake sliding on the ground. T is for tiger with a growling sound. U is for urchin in the sea so blue. V is for vulture flying over you. W is for whale splashing in the sea.